What were you doing?
You're
Brushing no. No. Yeah. No.
Oh, I like ice.
You can't eat ice too. You get sick.
Last time I ate it from ice cream.
Yeah.
Now I'm better.
You're better? Yeah. Wave hi to the camera. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
I'll put this on Facebook for everybody to see you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the picture.
This is a video.
See?
See, like your video taken. See that? There goes video.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey!
Okay, I want you to tell people what's your name.
What is this?
How old are you? You're 4?
4.
Yeah. Yeah.
You pushed me up.
Put the cup right there.
Here.
Put the cup over there on top of the thing for Julio won't get it.
And who's that?
That's Julio.
No, that's me.
All right, put it up top right there.
I know right there.
So.
I'll be up there.
I got it. There you go.
No! No! Where are those guys? Right there.
Who?
Right there. No. Right there. It's right there.
That's your John and your dad when they're little.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're little?
Yeah, when they were little.
What about me?
You already have a picture.
Now I want to take a picture like that.
Like that? Yeah. And then do this to the camera. One more time. One more time. Come here. Here you go. Don't be shy. What's your name? She's so stupid. You're so stupid. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so dumb on this.
Take a picture of my hair.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm videotaping.
Ah.
Yeah. Do your crazy face.
Okay.
Okay. That's your crazy face?
Mm-hmm.
Do a scary face.